besides some outskirts. It's called Naha. So we're gonna check this place out, see what it's about. Beautiful flower. It's like some kind of like market or whatnot. Got some cool food right here. Curry rice. That's good. Yeah, we'll just keep walking. I hate filming looking like a tourist, but I do want to see what something like these little markets look like. Little street vendor thing here. I wish I had pants now. See spring rolls. Yeah, they got spring rolls. Hey, they got the fried chicken. Hey, there we go. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. They got the Pikachu. Hello. I think Pikachu has a little bit of an eye problem though. Alright, so try not to get lost here. If we get lost, let's go straight back. I'm kind of veering off my usual stay on the same road, but I was curious what these places are. Some kind of store. Beauty salon. This looks like Vietnam. See, in Vietnam, the eggs aren't refrigerated. They're just brown eggs. And yeah, you can just get them warm. They stay good for, I don't know, maybe 7 days or whatever. Got some fish right here. This is refrigerated, I think. So yeah, here's like some meat. So I guess this would be like a food market where you buy what you want. You buy what you want to cook with, right? So if you're hungry, eat it. Got some bomb, some steak. Really good. Really good. That's a beautiful dish. The dishes over on this side. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'd like to get one for a certain somebody. I wish I could get one for my father and my stepmom. But they want a certain coffee. So if we find it, maybe we'll try to get a bag, but we'll see. So yeah, I think this is just a food market, nothing really eventful here. We'll walk to the end and we'll head back and keep walking south. So check it out. Yeah, hello. You got the guitars. Look at that. Guitar. Yeah, so we got what, Kroger's in America, Walmart, and this is the Walmart of I don't know, a lot of Asian countries, I would say. I've not seen a market like this. You know, it's the ones in Lao Cai, Vietnam are a little bit different, admittedly, but gives you an idea of what it's like. Buy what you want fresh, and you wonder why everybody's skinny. It's because you're eating all this healthy stuff right here. You're eating all these healthy vegetables, you're gonna lose your stomach. So you're gonna lose that belly. So I got the waffles. There's like some Belgian waffles here. Okay. I don't want to lose direction of where I'm at, but we're gonna go. Let's see what this street is here. Curiosity kills the cat, right? I know I'm gonna end up getting myself lost, but where am I now? Where am I now? Boom. Boom. Alright, so to get back, I need to cross through here. I'm so curious to explore this street. I don't know what street